How's it, grade 9s? So we're going on to more foiling, working from slide 60 to 68. Okay, so they start off here with example 4, and it's just saying simplify x minus 3 squared. Okay, so from yesterday's lesson you saw that we had two brackets, a binomial by binomial, and then we foiled it. We do have two brackets here. Just remember what that number 2 means. It's squaring. So it means that we have two of these brackets. So I can expand this to be x minus 3, x minus 3. Okay, now we have that binomial by binomial. And remember, we're going to do FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. So the firsts will give me x squared. The outers will give me minus 3x. The inners, minus 3x, and then the lasts will give me plus 9. Remember, we multiply when we're doing that. The next step, we have to look for like terms. So x squared minus 3x is minus 6x plus 9. All right, and we get our solution. Now, what they're talking about now is they're talking about short methods of doing this. Okay, so if we have a look at example 5, just got to find it here. Okay, so example 5. We need to simplify this. X minus 5, x plus 5. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the long way, or not the long way, the original way first, and then I'll show you the quick way over here. So the original way was to FOIL it, first, outer, inner, last. So our first will give us x squared. Our outers will give us plus 5x. Our inners will give us minus 5x. And our last will give us minus 25. Now we get like terms together. So we've got x squared plus 5x minus 5x. They cancel, all right? And we're left with minus 25. So what I want you guys to notice there is if the terms are basically the same, so we've got x and x, 5 and 5. The only difference is the signs, minus and plus. And whenever we get that situation where the terms are the same, but different sign, these outers and the inner terms will always cancel. So basically all we have to do is we have to do the firsts and the lasts. So if you have a look over here, I'll do it the quick way. Right, so I can see we've got x, 5 and 5. They're the same. The only difference is the signs. So I'm not going to bother doing the outer and the inner because I know they're going to cancel. So I'll do the firsts and the lasts only. So the firsts will give me x squared, and the lasts will give me minus 25. And you can see we get the same answer. Now, grade 9s, if you don't feel comfortable with the quick way, do it the original way. It's safer. You're guaranteed to get the answer correct every single time. Okay? If you feel a little bit confident and you know what's going on, by all means, try the quick way. Okay? So let's have a look at example 6. We've got 6x minus 1, 6x plus 1. So we can see the terms are exactly the same. 6x, 1, 1. The only difference is a negative and a positive. So for this one, I'm going to do the quick way first, and then I'll do the original method next. Okay, and you'll see we'll get the same answer. So 6x times 6x will give us 36x squared. And because I'm doing the quick method, I'm only doing the firsts and the lasts. Now, minus 1 times positive 1 gives us minus 1. Let's do it the original way and see if we get the same answer. So 6x minus 1, 6x plus 1. Okay, so first, 6x and 6x will give us 36x squared. The outers will give us plus 6x, inners minus 6x, and the last minus 1. Get like terms together, so we have 36x squared plus 6x minus 6x. They cancel, and you're left with minus 1, which is the same as this. Now, grade 9s, like I said, please do it this way, the original way, if you do not feel comfortable doing it this way. Okay, I would much rather you guys get the answer correct rather than making a mistake somewhere trying to do it a quick way. Okay. Right, let's have a look at example 7. We've got 7a minus 2b, 7a plus 2b. So I'll do it both ways. I'll do it the quick way, and then I'll do it the original way. So with the quick way, we do firsts first. So it's 7a times 7a will give us 49a squared. Then we do the lasts. 2b, or sorry, minus 2b times 2b gives me minus 4b squared. And the reason why I could do this, guys, remember, 7a, 7a, 2b, 2b, the only difference is the signs. Okay, let's do it the original way. 7a minus 2b, 7a plus 2b. All right, so firsts will give us 49a squared. Outers will give us plus 14ab. Inners minus 14ab. And then the lasts will give us minus 4b squared. Get like terms together. 49a squared. Then 14ab minus 14ab cancels. And you're left with minus 4b squared, which is the same as this. Okay. Right, grade 9s, what I would like you to do for homework for me, please. Also, what I would like you guys to do, if you can just send me a little happy face on WhatsApp for me, please. Thank you. Right, so homework. Exercise 8.15, number 1A to L. Then exercise 8.16, number 1A to J. Right, thanks, grade 9s.